You mentioned new consumption models for SaaS. AI, I think, is really where this is happening the most. Can you talk to me about the experiments people are running in pricing and what's showing promise or really interesting?
The first one is prepaid spend. So your price is determined not by how much you use, but by how much you commit to buy. And you can handle that from a contracting perspective. If you buy $10 million, dollars, I don't really care what you spend it on. I'm going to give you this price discount. If you buy $9 million, dollars, it's less. Pre-build is one case. You sign the agreement and you get a bill for $10 million. dollars. And then you can use up to the number of things that add up to $10 million, dollars, and then you might get another bill. The second one is post-build commitments. You sign up, commit to $10 million. dollars. You then start using it and use $80,000 in the first month or 800,000 in the first month. And you get a bill for that, more the next month, more the next month. And at the end of the year, you get a bill for either the overage or the difference between your commitment. That's the second type. The third type is the really interesting one. Both of the first two produce a moral hazard that you're billing the customer for something they didn't use. Even though that's not true because it affected the pricing and everything else, that's the way they feel about it. We're starting to have people wanting to have what I would call fake build commitments, where they are saying, we're going to bill you, but the head of revenue is like, dear God, no, don't bill them. The head of customer success, so the chief customer officer is going to know if there's like a $2 million gap between what they expected to spend and what they did spend. We want to stop that bill from going out. To do that thing, you have to not only catch the contract before the bill goes out and stop the billing engine, which is much easier if the billing engine's in the CPQ, like ours is, but then you have to potentially change the contract backwards in time in a way that adjusts the price on everything backwards for your rev rec. It's very human, very real, and very complicated.